Alright, so I'm going to finally show you guys how I do my nails at home. I'm going to transform these nails that I drill down pretty roughly and make them look like these beautiful pink nails with a little bit of bling, which turned out absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to start by using this ceramic drill bit. I think this is a medium coarse bit that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to debulk this thumbnail that I broke the other day. And I'm going to debulk it pretty thinly so that I'm able to soak it off with a foil wrap. Alright, and for the soak off, I'm just going to go ahead and go on with the Onyx Professional Soak Off. I do like this one because it has a coconut scent and it's not really strong, and it does have vitamin E and grapeseed oil, so it does not dry out your cuticles or your skin like pure acetone does. Alright, now I'm just going to take my drill bit, which is a safety bit, and go ahead and debulk and thin out the cuticles and any other lumps that I see in the nail to make it really smooth to go ahead with the acrylic application. And this isn't the best footage because it is my first time filming a do my nails video, and I'm actually filming it on my iPhone, which has really good video quality. And next time I'll just use my camera. I do have a really good camera, but I just don't have it set up right now. But I'm gonna use that next time to get a wider angle and better, I guess, better views of the process. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tan this thumb again by scraping off the acrylic, and this is just a scraping tool. Actually, I think it's a makeup mixing tool, but I use it to scrape acrylic off during the soak off process. So I scrape it off, and then whatever is left over, I'll just buff off with my nail file on the 180 side. And then I'll put it back into the foil wrap, and then later on I'll buff it down. Alright, after I'm done with all of the buffing and drilling, I'm going to take this pointy bit and go along my cuticle area, and this is going to get rid of any of that dead skin and lift those cuticles to make it easier for me to clean up. This has to be one of my favorite drill bits, but I make sure that I'm using it at an angle. You do not want to go in just like a stabbing angle, because it will damage your cuticles and cause injury. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and start the process of shaping my nails. I always go for like that slim coffin look, which is my go-to look. I'm going to use this Beauty Secret Superior Nail file, and it is washable, which is great for sanitization. It is the coarse 100 grit, so that's the one that I like to use. And I was thinking about using some forms on the pointer finger and the pinky finger because, like I said, when I took these nails down, I drilled the hell out of them and I felt like they just needed some additional support for the acrylic process. Now I'm going to use the Mia Secret nail prep and the extra bond, which are my favorites. I don't have any problems with this, especially if your prep work is good, such as getting rid of all of that dead skin. And I'm also going to be using the Mia Secret Cover Pink acrylic powder, which is so pretty. It has like these sparkles in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is so pretty. And I got this from Amazon. And as you guys can see, I did not actually end up using the forms. I'm just going to go ahead and lay my beads down. Now, another thing is when I'm doing my own nails, I can use however many beads I want. If it's 2, if it's 3, if it's 9, I'm going to use as many as I think I need and any size that I need. Now, this is only when I'm doing my nails. If I'm doing someone else's nails, I do prefer the 2 to 3 ball method. Now that I have laid all of my acrylic, I'm going to go ahead and start the reshaping process again with that same nail file. I like to go on the sides, and of course I'm going to do underneath to get that crisp shape that I like. I'm pretty satisfied with this shape, so I'm going to go ahead and take my drill bit again and just go over the top of the nail to give it that smoothness and take that stickiness out from the acrylic.
Yeah, baby.
Going back in with my hand file, I'm going to go ahead and buff the surface of the nails to just ensure that there are not any lumps. I do prefer to hand file over using the e-file.
Yeah, baby.
So this is what the nails look like, y'all, after all of my filing and buffing, and I am going to go ahead and use my buffing block to smooth out the lines created by the file and the e-file. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my stones on my nails, and forgive me, I did lose a lot of footage on this because my phone kept having full storage. But next time, like I said, I'll be using my more professional camera with lots of storage space and we won't have this issue. But I'm using a wax pencil that I got from Amazon as well. I didn't like the placement or the look of these diamond shaped stones, so I did end up removing them and going with a different style. But here is the finished look after I have laid all of the diamonds down, or the stones down, and I think it came out really, really pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with my top coat. This is the D&D non-wipe top coat, which I don't really like because it does separate. I'd rather use the Valentino one, but I was out and this is what I had on hand, so this is what I used. After I've cured in my lamp for 60 seconds each, I went ahead and used the Avoplex OPI cuticle oil, and this is the finished results. I think they came out beautiful.